Hi, my name is Shrey Sharma and I secured a percentile of 99.77 IIFT. I'm here to share my experience on how I prepared for the GK section of IIFT. All the other sections more or less are coincide with all the other preparations for ZAT and ZAT. This particular section is a bit different because the GK focuses on the current affairs. Going through the previous year's papers of IIFT, I noticed this difference that the GK of IIFT revolves around current affairs and the socio-economic and political scene of India and the world. The current scene. I basically prepared from a few resources. I had joined a coaching institute, so the static GK part I did from the material that they gave me. Apart from that, I also referred to a few online web resources and referred to them time to time. But what I think is that I kept myself up to date with the current affairs, the day-to-day happenings of India and the world. For that, I went through a few magazines such as The Frontline, The Economist, a few newspapers like The Hindu, and when I had to just chill myself out, I went through The Economic Times and The Times of India. So that kept me updated to all the current affairs of India as well as major global happenings in the world. Apart from that, what is important is that we should also ensure that all the current affairs from all the fields, from sports, from music, politics, environmental issues, we're up to date. We know what are the major happenings that are taking place, how is India progressing in certain areas, what are the key decisions being taken by the government, the key foreign affairs and foreign policy changes that are coming about in India and the world. I believe all this should do the trick and prepare you. That basically prepared me adequately for the IIFT exam. I hope that helps. Thank you.